In the heart of Mumbai, where innovation meets precision, a cutting-edge machine is being prepared for its journey to distant shores of Tanzania. Lake Lubes Limited is the leading lubricant and grease manufacturing, distribution, and marketing company in Tanzania. Geoenix commissioned an automatic servo-based side belt capping machine and automatic induction sealer machine at Lake Lubes Limited, Tanzania. The biggest USP of the capping machine is that customer can do capping for bottles from half liter to 5 liters without using any change part. This eases the operation and helps deliver greater output. The automatic rejection system in the induction sealer machine removes any bottles which does not have an induction wad. This helps prevent spillages and leakages in the secondary packaging. Geoenix has brought more efficiency and faster production for Lake Lubes Limited, Tanzania. We at Geoenix firmly believe that a satisfied customer is the best business strategy of all.